Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on the third craft in my three-part series of the Farmhouse Flair DIY crafts. As you can tell, my inspiration in all these crafts has been spring. If you've missed my other two videos, I'll be sure to link those in the description below. Don't miss out on any future videos. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Now let's get started on that craft. For my third project, I'm transforming old books into decor. The books are from Goodwill, and the rest of the supplies are from Walmart and Dollar Tree. The first book needs to be black, so I'm painting the words on the spine in Waverly's ink. I'm taking this scrapbook paper from Walmart. Leave space for this indent. I trace the front and back covers and cut the pieces. Now I'm covering this side in Mod Podge with a sponge brush. I place the cut scrapbook piece onto the wet Mod Podge and press all over firmly. While that's drying, I add lacy detail to the spine with Mod Podge. After the Mod Podge is dry, I add more Mod Podge over the book's new covers and over the lace. This second book needed to be white, so I used Waverly's white chalk paint in 2 coats. I don't need to paint the entire surface, only what will be showing where the paper will not cover. Since the center of the surface isn't painted, I'm using these project stands to prop my book up so I can keep painting. I found these at Lowe's, and I'll link them below in the description box. I found books that were similar in size, so when I use them for decorating, I can count on a consistent shape for layering. I also made sure to find hardback books, so the original covers would stand up well to the Mod Podge. This burlap ribbon is at Dollar Tree. It was wider than the spine, so I had to measure the spine and cut the ribbon to fit. Because the ribbon was tricky, I had to Mod Podge under and on top immediately to keep the ribbon in place. I sealed each book with Mod Podge and allowed each side to dry before flipping the books over. The third book will be painted white as well. I like using chalk paint because it dries really fast. I used neutral shades of black and white to blend with my farmhouse decor. Recovering books is an easy and inexpensive way to decorate. You can have books covered to match every season or holiday, and you can easily store them in a bookcase when you're not using them. I hope you've enjoyed this series of farmhouse-inspired crafting projects. Please comment below with any questions or comments about these crafts. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.